Hello, welcome to another video in our framework crash course for absolute beginners. So in this video, we are just going to be working on our testimonial section. So I'm just going to head here and then duplicate this section, Ctrl D, and then I'm going to delete this. We're just going to delete this grid. Then I'm going to copy the content for the intro and then paste here. Then copy this also and paste here. And as you can see, the content for the ticker will be outside. Just going to come here and then this is a component which I'm just going to click. So I'm going to copy this 5-star review here and then I'm going to paste here. I'll copy this text and paste it here, and also this image. I'm going to paste the image here, the name, paste it here, and the title. I'm also going to paste it here. So the next thing to do is just to group your elements to where they should belong. I'll group these stars and the testimonial and make it a stack. I'll align it to the left and then make the height to a fit content. I also group this and this. I'll make it a stack. I'll also align it to the left, make it fit content. And then I'm going to group this and this and make it a stack. And then make the distribute to be start. And then I'm going to make this stack and this stack a stack. I'm going to align it to the left and then make the height to a fit content. Then I'm going to increase the gap here and also increase the gap here to something like 19. Then I'm going to make this stack to be filled with. I'm going to make this to also be filled. I'll make this fill, then make this fill, and also make this fill. So I'm going to turn this stack into a component by hitting Ctrl Alt K. I'm going to name this as testimonials, and then I'll give this a padding of, let's say, 38 all through. So I'm going to change the color to this. I'm also going to increase this a little bit. Then I'm going to give it a radius of 14 and a border opacity of, let's just give it 9%. So I'm good to go here. Next thing to do is just to duplicate these testimonials I'm going to duplicate it 4 times. I'm going to bring it here. And duplicate again and again. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to make this a variable. I'm going to make the content a variable of plain text, and then this also a variable plain text, and then this a variable plain text. Then also the image. I'll make the image a variable with a variable image. Alright. So now we can input our ticker. I'm just going to come here, go to interactive, and then click on ticker. So I'm just going to make the ticker to be inside of our section. I'm going to give the ticker a width of fill and increase the height a little bit. Then I'm going to join this with this, and join this with this, also with this and this. So now the next thing to do is just to change the content. I'm just going to come here and then copy the content for each of these. So we are done copying the content for our testimonial. So I'm just going to show you how we can get images directly from Framer. So I'm just going to click on this, and then where it says images, I will click here, and then you can choose an image, or you can go to plugins and then go to any of these plugins. So most of them are for image generations and to get images online. So I'll click on Lumni, and let's choose this image. I've gotten a random image here. I'm also going to do the same for this. Then click here, then add this image also, and then for the last one I'll click here, go to plugins, to Lumni, then I'll just add this image here. So we are done. I'm just going to check our website if it's okay. So what I'm going to do is just to increase the gap for our ticker. 29 is okay. So this is looking good. Alright, we are done for this video. See you in the next one.